Got some rain going over there. So, check my hair. Had a few people ask, it's 3 days later, what does the river look like now that it is passed? And it is a wash, as people would say. This isn't really a river. But here you go. We're still flowing. I mean, nowhere near what it was, and no rushing sounds anymore, but still rolling. Take a walk up here under the bridge where I had showed you that shot where the river was flowing up over onto the loop. But it's definitely dropped down a lot. You can see where the water was, you know, where it's green there wasn't water, and where it's not green there was water. Pretty impressive. It was really cool. It's still kind of amazing that there's still this much water flowing, to be honest with you. We're in the desert, you know. Water just doesn't flow in the desert. I think we average about 8 inches of rain here a year. I don't know how many inches of rain we got this rain, but it was a lot. If you can recall that. I think the water was pretty close to that tree, that there. And down here, this is where the water was up, coming onto the bike path. So, what's that? I don't know. Caught at least 4 foot. And that's what...
3 days earlier.
There you go. There you go. I mean, that's what level we're at with water right now. There is definitely there's a rain spout over there, or not spout, rainfall happening over there. We are at Swan Road. Bicycles. For those of you that have never been under a bridge, this is what it looks like under. You'll be living in a van down by the river under a bridge, maybe. If you are one of the 20,000 people that watched the other video, that was awesome. So thanks to everybody that, and if you subscribed and liked it and left a comment, that's even cooler. But here it is, still flowing 3 days later. Pretty impressive. And there is definitely some ominous clouds. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's definitely rain falling out there to the west on those ridge lines. But that's rain over there. And definitely have some ominous clouds. There you go. There is your August flood update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Pretty cool. It's still hard to believe that the water is running after all these days. Here we go.